everyone. I am CA Manasi Dilip Budhani. I am a practicing chartered accountant by profession and a passionate classical dancer. So I started pursuing chartered accountancy as I was more interested in numbers, and finances and accounts is what intrigues me the most. I'm thankful to God that I am born in a legacy. I am born in a family which holds a prestigious name in Pune and in India. We are Messrs Budhani Brothers. We're into manufacturing of potato chips, mixtures and other namkeen products. This business was started by my grandfather and it was continued by my father, and we are the third generation in this business. I strive and promise to work hard consistently to grow this business more and more. I would say post the pandemic or during the pandemic, there was this hybrid work culture that was developed, or work from home was a strategy that came up to fight the need to work and give impact or not let COVID affect you or the work. But when it comes to work from home, women these days face a lot of challenge to maintain the work-life balance or keep a healthy gap between your professional and personal life. When you're at home, as well as working at home, to finish the housework or your responsibilities at home, as well as maintain your professional work responsibilities, becomes a task or a challenge to women these days. And I would say, but the weekend gap that we get, or over the period, we've learned to master the skill of maintaining that balance. Women these days still strive and work hard to maintain that work-life balance and bridge a good, healthy gap, or maintain a good and healthy gap between their professional and personal life. So firstly, I'm thankful to God, very grateful to be a part of this business. My grandfather is the one who started this business, and there's one basic but the very principle that he worked on was hard work. You do hard work and you do it consistently to see the success and the fruits that we are seeing today. He's worked hard. My father has, his generation, the second generation, has equally worked hard, and we as a third generation are seeing the fruits or reaping the fruits of what they've sown because of their hard work. So one basic thing that I would like to pass on to the next generation is work hard and do that hard work consistently to see success. I would like to thank Mr. Bharat Khater. He's my dad's business friend. He introduced us to Janata Sahkari Bank in 2021. And since then, our journey with the bank has been extremely smooth and cordial. The bank is always there to help us in the challenges, the smallest challenges that we face in doing businesses. Like, for an example, when it comes to net banking, we have transactions that are of a higher amount, or there are times when once you register a pay in a bank, it takes 24 hours to accept that pay, and then after that you can make a specific transaction. But with Janata Bank, that's not the case. Once you register a pay, you can do the transaction, an online RTGS or an NEFT immediately. So this is just one of the benefits of being with Janata Bank. There are many more, definitely. On this Women's Day, I would like to appreciate and congratulate on all the women in the world. God has given us the ability to multitask and play multiple roles very efficiently. We can be a mother, a daughter, a sister, a wife, at the same time be a businesswoman. And Playing all these roles efficiently somewhere gives us the quality to run a business more efficiently. It gives us the spirit and the qualities that are required to run a business. And I would say that equality or equating us to another gender would be demeaning us. We ourselves are amazing, and just nurture every passion that you have, but make sure that your career and your personal life, as well as your personal and professional goals, are taken care of happily. Lastly, I wish all the women a very happy Women's Day. May all your dreams come true, and let's support all the women in the world to grow mentally, physically, career wise, professionally, and in all sectors of life. Thank you.